Ni hao, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on culinary journeys to uncover the mysteries of world cuisine. Today, we're delving into the heart of Chinese gastronomy to explore a dish that's as intriguing as it is delicious: Beggar's chicken. But wait, there's more. Get ready to uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this iconic Chinese delicacy. So, if you're hungry for knowledge and craving some culinary inspiration, let's dive right in. Introduction to Beggar's chicken. Let's start by introducing you to the tantalizing world of Beggar's chicken, a renowned dish with a rich history dating back centuries in China. Originating from the Jiangsu province, this dish is steeped in legend and tradition, offering a unique culinary experience that captivates the senses. One lesser-known fact about Beggar's chicken is its humble origins. Legend has it that the dish was created by impoverished villagers who lacked cooking utensils. To preserve the flavor and moisture of the chicken, they wrapped it in lotus leaves and clay, then roasted it in the ashes of a fire. Thus, Beggar's chicken was born out of necessity, showcasing the ingenuity and resourcefulness of Chinese culinary tradition. One fascinating aspect of Beggar's chicken is the use of lotus leaves to wrap the chicken. Not only do the leaves impart a subtle aroma to the dish, but they also help to seal in the moisture, resulting in tender, flavorful meat. It's a technique that has been passed down through generations, preserving the authenticity of this beloved dish. Clay baking technique. One intriguing fact about Beggar's chicken is the use of clay baking, a traditional cooking method that imparts a smoky, earthy flavor to the dish. The chicken is encased in a thick layer of clay, then baked in a wood-fired oven for several hours. As the clay hardens and cracks, it forms a natural seal that locks in the juices, resulting in succulent, fall-off-the-bone meat. Symbol of abundance. In Chinese tradition, the chicken symbolizes prosperity and good fortune. Therefore, Beggar's chicken is often served during festive occasions and celebrations as a symbol of abundance and blessings. It's a dish that brings people together to share in the joys of life and gratitude for nature's bounty. From aromatic herbs and spices to savory stuffing and glazes, each region in China puts its own spin on Beggar's chicken. Some variations incorporate local ingredients and flavors, while others draw inspiration from international cuisines, resulting in a diverse array of interpretations that reflect the culinary diversity of China. Beggar's chicken is packed with essential nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and minerals. The combination of chicken, lotus leaves, and aromatic spices not only tantalizes the taste buds but also nourishes the body, supporting overall health and well-being. References to Beggar's chicken can be found in ancient Chinese texts and literature, dating back centuries. The dish has been enjoyed by emperors, scholars, and commoners alike, making it a cherished part of Chinese gastronomy and cultural identity. In bustling markets and food stalls across China, you'll often find street vendors expertly preparing Beggar's chicken to order. It's a sensory experience that immerses you in the sights, sounds, and aromas of authentic Chinese street food, creating unforgettable memories. Innovative presentations. From gourmet restaurants to trendy eateries, chefs are experimenting with innovative presentations and flavor combinations for Beggar's chicken. Whether served with artistic garn. Rituals of preparation. In certain regions of China, the preparation of Beggar's chicken is accompanied by elaborate rituals and ceremonies that pay homage to tradition and ancestry. From blessings offered to the ingredients to prayers recited during the cooking process, each step is imbued with reverence and spiritual significance, enriching the dining experience with cultural depth and meaning. Beggar's chicken has inspired countless legends and folktales throughout Chinese history. From stories of humble villagers sharing their meager feast with travelers to tales of emperors feasting on sumptuous banquets, these narratives celebrate the enduring spirit of generosity, resilience, and community embodied by the dish. The ingredients used in Beggar's chicken are carefully selected not only for their flavor but also for their symbolic significance. For example, lotus leaves represent purity and enlightenment in Chinese culture, while the clay used to encase the chicken symbolizes the earth's nurturing embrace. These symbolic elements add layers of meaning to the dish, elevating it from mere sustenance to a culinary work of art. To preserve the legacy of Beggar's chicken for future generations, culinary schools and heritage organizations offer workshops and classes dedicated to teaching the art of its preparation. Through hands-on cooking demonstrations, Aspiring chefs and food enthusiasts can learn the time-honored techniques and recipes that have made Beggar's chicken a culinary icon, ensuring that its legacy lives on for years to come. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.